Good afternoon, Danbury. I'm student meteorologist Scott Gagliardi here with your forecast. We've warmed up nicely with temperatures in the lower 40s for the first time in a long time as we're in between systems from the snow and ice we saw last night into the snow that we'll see later this evening and then into tomorrow. We'll start with the easy stuff for now. Current conditions here in Danbury. At 2 o'clock, we have mostly cloudy skies with a temperature of 42 degrees. Winds are out of the south-southwest at 6 miles per hour, giving us a wind chill in the upper 30s. For those weather headlines, we have some melting snow today due to those warmer temperatures. A mix to snow, which will come through later this evening and then into the overnight. And the big question remains in accumulations, but we'll get to that later in this forecast. Now for the surface map, you'll see here the cold front that came through last night. A little farther west, we have a few low pressure systems which have formed along a stationary front. And a little farther west, we have an Arctic cold front, which is going to be the reason that all this just kind of gets kicked out of here and relieves us from all this unsettled weather that we've been having over the past few days. Now, one of the radars that we use here, this is what our future cast will look like, possibly by one of the models that we do use here. As I'll play it into motion here, we have the rain and precipitation which has been coming through our area and will continue to come through later into this evening. Around midnight, we'll see that rain change over to some snow, and advancing this throughout the night, we'll see that this snow continues light to moderate throughout the overnight hours. As we approach daybreak, however, this is where things get a little complicated. We have this snow band which has set up across our area. Now we advance it past the daybreak hour, and this band begins to shift to the south. Should this band stay a little bit farther to the north, we're going to see snow throughout the entire day Thursday. Light snow, but snow nonetheless. However, should this band stay to this area as is predicted right now or farther south, we won't see anything in the way of snow for Thursday through the daylight hours. So it all really depends on where this band ends up setting up, which will determine our weather for tomorrow. To break it down for you, for tonight, we'll have a temperature of 21 degrees with snow developing later in the evening as temperatures begin to drop throughout the overnight with a southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now for tomorrow, we'll have the snow in the morning. However, it really depends, like I said, on that snow band. Currently, I'm going to go with snow totals of 2 to 4 inches. However, should that snow band come closer to our area, we'll be on the higher end of this 2 to 4 inches. Should that snow band be farther south, we'll be on the lower end, around 2 inches. Just really depends on where that snow band sets up. However, we will have a high temperature around 25 degrees. And then for tomorrow night, that Arctic front will come through, skies will clear, winds will shift to the north-northwest, bitterly cold temperatures right around 0 for the Danbury area, with the sunset coming in at 5:50. Now to recap, for tomorrow, on the extended forecast here, snow showers for your day on Thursday with a temperature of 20 degrees, cold temperatures Thursday night into Friday with sunny skies on your Friday itself. Saturday, we'll start the day with a very cold temperature of 9 degrees, bumping it up to a mid-30s with partly sunny skies. And then Saturday night, don't forget to set your clocks ahead. We'll actually lose an hour of sleep this weekend. And then to end your weekend and start your work week, temperatures will approach 40 with sunnier skies in the area. You can meet the team. Visit our website at wcsu.edu/weather. Look for your next update from Anthony Sambucci. That'll be updated tomorrow at 2 p.m. Thank you and have a great evening.